Hi guys, welcome to Nell's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make beet juice. As you know, beet is good for lowering blood pressure. It's good for detoxifying the liver, and it also gives you energy. So this is why you need to drink beet juice every day to help you to do those stuff. And I'll be doing it with a little bit of beet, some carrots, and don't forget the ginger. Ginger is also good for you. So I'll be adding all those together into the juicer to make a nice, cool, detoxifying juice today. So here you go. First I'll start with my beets. As you can see, I cut it into smaller pieces. To cut it into small pieces before you put it into your juicer. If not, your juicer will go whack on you. So you have to cut it in small pieces. You see this juice, how it's red? Just like blood. Lots of iron. Carrot, sorry about that. Add a piece of orange, and then I will start adding my beet again. I will go ahead and I will add a carrot. Now I will add a piece of ginger to that. So as you can see, I peel out the outer part on the ginger before, and then I cut it into like an inch. I cut the pieces into like an inch to put into the juicer, because if you don't, it will throw out the juicer out of whack and it will start making a big crazy noise, like as you heard before what was happening. So now my cup is filled with juice, so I'm going to empty it out into a bigger container. So I'll shut this off and I'll just add it here, and then I'll continue with this one. So add my beets again, my beets, you don't have to make like a lot like what I'm doing right now. I had 3 beets, big ones, big enough, so I just want to finish everything, so that's why I'm doing the whole thing. And you have to cut it small. Remember, cut it into small pieces. And you don't have to take off the outer skin on the beet. You could just wash your beet properly. You brush it out, you wash it, and you cut your beets, and it's okay to use like that. So that's 1 piece of ginger. I will add it to it. And then my carrots. This is a white carrot. Okay, there are different color carrots. But if you use white carrots, the juice, if you had to make carrot juice, it would turn out white, okay? Kind of cream. But it is still a carrot. It's just different color carrots. You don't have to use different color carrots. You could just use the orange carrots. That's fine. So now I finished putting in my fruits. So I'm going to show you. Okay, I will add this into that cup here, and out of 3 bits, you see the amount I made? Almost a full jug. So I have this lemon here. I'm going to squeeze the lemon in it also. So what I would do, I also like to, you don't make the seed pass through. I will put the whole lemon. It's not very big, so I'll just put the whole lemon in it. So we stir this up. And here you go. This is your beet juice. See? This is how you make beet juice at home, and you don't need to add any sugar in that. So I'm going to try some of the beet juice. Take this, and I'm going to try it. Yummy. This is good. Very nice. Very nice. So if you take that every day, that will help lower your blood pressure. It will purify, detoxify your kidneys. It will detoxify your liver, okay? And it will give you more energy for the day, okay? So thanks, guys. That's it for Nellie's Kitchen today.